What are you doing?
Going to the doctor.
Roller skate.
Stay away from the Mustang.
Oh, gosh. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Look here, we're becoming a legit garage. This is going to be David's part. He's going to teach us how to...
So we got tire machines and a balancer.
Yeah.
So this is going to be awesome.
Here's the man who knows how to do it. But
so
he's
we're going to take
teach
this
us.
back to the garage.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Alright, well, we're heading to the garage. We got our tools. Man, we're becoming a legit garage. I mean, who would have thought just started out, what? How many months ago, Hunter?
Almost a year ago.
Almost a year. In March, I think it'd be a year we've been on YouTube.
Well, and basically when we started.
When we started our first car. And now look, man, we got a garage full of tools. We got now a tire machine, a balancer. Guys, now y'all can be with us and while we do everything, while learning this, because that's gonna be fun. I can't
wait.
We have a friend, Crazy Dave. He knows how to do it. So when he got out of high school, he worked for a tire place here local in Maryville. So we're gonna give a shout out to Hepperly's.
Yes, thank you.
Hepperly Auto Sales.
Best place to go for used cars.
Best place. I have bought 12 vehicles, and I mean, I have no complaints. Hepperly Auto Sales, #1 in East Tennessee.
I think #1 in Tennessee.
I think #1 in the United States.
Yeah. Maybe the world, you never know.
You never know. I mean, best customer service. You couldn't ask for any better. I'm talking about top-notch, great owner, great car salesman, great mechanics. I mean,
what else could you ask for? I mean,
yeah, what else? It's a hometown, whatever. Car lot. I'm losing my mind.
Let's see you at the garage.
Guys, well, we're getting this, try to get this cleaned up so we can cut this part out so we can at least get our balancer in.
And then we're going to be cleaning out all this stuff, all of it.
Yeah, because guys, we heard you shout out, and we begged the guy who owns this place if we could clean this out.
And he said yes.
And he said yes. So we told him that y'all were upset with him.
So we're going to get to work.
Time to clear the Mustang.
Yep. Turn.
I'm trying. You might let that float up, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you can drive it.
I went too far under.
Can't wait for this thing to be set in place, can't you? Just missed the Mustang.
I just missed it. Right there's probably where we have to get it off on.
Yeah.
Can y'all get this?
Don't know.
Put this on there.
Yeah, it's another one.
Hey, that's a good pallet to keep.
Yeah, put one of the motors on.
Yeah.
Maybe it's motor when he wants to pull it back. House. Because guys, next build. What is it, David? 307.
And we got news on our block. Hey, tell them the news we got on our block, guys.
Well, one thing about it is we're gonna have to bore it over 60, right, Dave?
Yep.
I got it. Ow.
I'll pick up on it.
Well, take it with me. Take it with me. Take it with me.
Hang on.
All right, you're not gonna be able to lift it.
Yeah.
What? I'm trying. All right.
There we go.
That's a pretty big machine. All right, guys. Well, we got them in here. We still got to do some more cleaning.
A lot more cleaning.
Yeah, to get this over here.
But so, here it is so far.
Man, we have the whole setup to do the
tires,
to balance it. We got we're moving our air compressor to this corner. We're gonna pop us some lines.
And we picked up this air hose reel for $20 instead of $50.
We're gonna mount it like right up here so it'll reach everywhere.
And guys, thanks to Hepperly's for letting us borrow their pallet jack.
Yes, thank you Hepperly's for letting us borrow it. Thanks for the hookup. I mean, dude, we're gonna have a legit garage here. We just gotta get rid of some of this. This is a bunch of building material.
And garbage in the back.
Garbage in the back. Well, I mean, that's screen doors and stuff too.
Yeah, but garbage to us right now.
Yeah. So we're gonna get rid of it. Turn it
So
into
let's get to work on it.
mechanical garage. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, we're getting it cleared away. David, come over and helping us out here.
But don't look over here.
we're heading that way.
We're going
we're
one
slowly
section at a
working our
time.
way. Yeah, because I got to get this area because that's where our tire machine's going to go. Because David's got some tires he needs to break down.
And maybe tomorrow we'll be cleaning over here because we got to get our motor area.
Yes, our motor's ready. Guys, we got it bored over
60.
David said that'd give us 5,000 horsepower.
10,000. So let's
How
get to
many?
work.
With nitrous.
With nitrous. All right, here we go.
Good tool, ain't it?
I do like this thing. You want to cut that leg off? I already probably break off here. This table was
Here,
something.
hand me the tool. I'm gonna call it.
Oh shoot! Here, let me see that saw.
Hard hat coming out.
Hard hat. Oh, it's already cut back here.
Hey, watch that stuff on top.
We got this.
All right. We're getting it,
I'm
boy.
gonna have to cut it up to get it out.
Hard hat. Should be on our heads. Will it work with these big old tires?
Yeah. When you got.
Who knows how long these tires have been on here?
Yeah, I know.
These were off of an old Dodge 20. What size van is that? A big one, like Dawn's one now. It is a Dodge. It was huge. It's 8 lug. I mean, it's a big old tire. We're gonna put it on the Mustang. We're changing that to 8 lug.
Yeah, right. Hey, look at this setup. It looks pretty good, don't it?
Yeah, we got it. We got it looking good. David, come over here to help us. We got to calibrate this, so we got to figure that out. It says it's self-calibrated,
So we'll just have to see.
so we'll have to look on the interweb and Google it
Oh,
and
yeah.
see how that goes, right?
Yep.
It's hard to tell how long this tire's been laying outside.
Guys, well, you know, if you've been watching this video, we started right here in this area. So right now we have, oh, that's hitting the blower. I was like, what is that? Well, we got us a balancer. We got us a tire machine. We're gonna try to inflate this here in a second.
Yeah.
Break it down. We got us a tire machine. So now we have this setup here where we can do our own tires and wheels. That's pretty cool. So we've been working hard because we're getting ready because tomorrow we're picking up our block,
Which is going to be exciting.
which is going to be exciting. So so we can make better videos. We decided we got permission to clean this garage.
As much as we could.
As much as we could. So okay, you see. So if you could remember what that looked like,
It was a mess.
it was a mess. Here's where we're at.
We still have a mess.
We still have this part we have to deal with
Later.
we're wore out. We can do a little bit of time because look at our engine section now. Here's where we're going to do our work on our motor and stuff. It's pretty cool. We're going to put us a light or two up here, and starting tomorrow we'll be working on our block.
Can't wait.
Yeah, That's gonna be pretty cool.
And look at this organization we did.
Yeah, so we got all of our chemicals up here. Guys,
Can we put those up there for decoration?
That's just for looks. So that's what we got on the Mustang. And then we put our project bike right here.
With our toolboxes.
With our toolboxes, welders, and don't look that way.
Yeah, we haven't got over there yet.
We're working our way around.
But like, it's looking a lot better.
I mean, yeah, if you just, as soon as we get rid of this go-kart, which is coming like really soon.
It'll be gone next weekend, so.
Yeah. We're going to put these up on, put the Mustang up on
the car dolly.
Car dollies and slide it over because we're going to be pulling another project in here.
Oh, yeah. That truck and maybe a Jeep.
A Jeep. We're going to might put a lift, wind, you know, all that kind of fun stuff. So, guys, we got a lot to do, so let's get to work.
So, we're going to be getting the block.
Look what we've got. Hunter, come
got
over
our
and
motor
look down
back.
These cylinder. Look at the cylinder walls, boy.
Looks good.
Yes, it looks good. They shaved it. They bored it 60 over. Look at these heads. You remember what they look like?
They looked awful. Now they look good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So tonight, after I get off work, I had to stop, come over here and get this motor in here. We might come over here and do some painting.
But that's gonna be the end of this video.
Yeah, this is probably it, guys. So look what we got, man. The motor's back to 283. It's time to start putting it back together. We'll start painting first, then start putting those heads back together. Order our parts. We're gonna make a list tonight and order our parts. And then now we know what size pistons.
So make sure you like and subscribe.
Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.